I got my YouTube channel.
Okay. See,
Now you
don't be bullshit now. We old school, man. Come on.
How you know?
Yeah, we're like, damn, whoever's operating that damn freaking drone, they're pretty good at it.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give it to you.
Give me something, please.
But if you come over here to our group, honey, we're going to give you some shit.
Okay, I want shit.
Oh, man, in that truck that's got the red.
It's got it.
I don't know where they went. He made it through that. He made it through that one fast thing he got.
I'll ride that area somewhere.
It might be okay. Turn right. No, he's good. There's a trail. He would have come right here. He would have sunk
I'm gonna upload it probably tomorrow. Alright.
See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly, I swear you're my savior, girl. And I don't know if I'll see you later, so I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. My head has been spinning, I might need a minute. I've been dying to kick it, so just come with if you with it. And this game that we're playing, you want me but won't say it. If I told you I'm leaving, you would be so devastated. And I don't want no bullshit excuse, like you ain't got no time for me, as if that shit was true. Just tell me how it is, how you want it. If you're down, want a summit, I got plans and you're one of them. Not trying to pretend. See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it.